Hello everyone, a new video today. So I'm back with the mechanic. So discontinued model with, you can see the old box from Victorinox, this brown red box. So the mechanic a bit special because the mechanic had the Phillips. But this one doesn't have the Phillips, but I'll talk about this just in a minute. So, of course, it's a 91mm knife, 18 millimeters thickness, and 100 grams. The number here, 13623, is the actual number. I verified this of this knife. So first thing, as I said, this one doesn't come with the Phillips, but with the corkscrew, which is some models were made at that time with the corkscrew by Victorinox, but it's not a mode or anything. This was really made by Victorinox, but in a much smaller amount. So we have the large blade, so as usual, the small blade. So as I said, on the other side, the corkscrew and rimmer all. Of course, the keyring. Then we have a small blade and a large blade, as I just showed, and here the can opener with the flathead screwdriver. Then the larger flathead screwdriver, bottle opener, cap lifter, and wire bender sweeper. We of course also have the tweezers and toothpick. And finally, the most important thing, I would say, in this one is the pliers. So this is one of the slimmest models with that contains the pliers. It only has 3 layers. Of course, I said it's a discontinued model. So it's kind of similar to the Deluxe Tinker because it has only the scissors, which we don't have here. And also, as I said, it usually has the Phillips, so exactly as the Deluxe Tinker, but this one, of course, has the corkscrew. So not the same thing, but if you have the regular mechanic with the Phillips, the only difference is the scissors and of course the hook in front of the scissors. So that's it. I'm thinking about making a video to date a knife with the tools. We can approximately know when the knife was made. So I'm thinking about making making a video with this, and also maybe about the difference between an actual Victorinox versus a fake one, which can be interesting, I think. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, of course. Take care. And if you have any questions, as usual, in the comment section below. If you like the video, you can leave a thumbs up. Of course, subscribe also as well to the channel. And see you for the next video. Bye-bye.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig in?